Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to continue the SQL subquery part number 2. That means as I already told you what is query and subquery. Subquery means what? A query with another query is called subquery. So when you have doubt, please kindly communicate with the social media. And when you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Let's go for session today. So simple one, SQL subquery. We are going to see with the delete statement how we can use the delete statement with the subquery here. Here, so subqueries. So if you want to use a subqueries, we can use inside a where class. The syntax is delete from table name, where value operator in the bracket you can give select column name from table name where condition. So this is the syntax you can follow for delete statement. Let's assume that you have an employee underscore BKP table available, which backup of employee table here. So here we are going to give the condition that is delete the record from the employee table for all the employee whose age is greater than or equal to 29. Let's see the 10 example here. So the employee the name of the table is called employee underscore BKP. So here we have a name like ID, name, and age, address, salary. Here see some of the people's ages more than 29, that is 34 also. Let's give the task. Once give the execute the query, what will happen we see here. We can give the query like that: delete from employee where age in select age from employee underscore BKP where age greater than equal to 29. So when you execute the statement, we will get the result like this, the table like this. That is what ID, name, age is see John with age of 20, Stephen 26, David 27, Jackson 25, like that. So this is the way how you can use the subquery with the delete statement. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.